Hello, my digital planner friends. Today, we're going to go over how to add pages to your digital planner. Say you want to add a page, duplicate a page, copy a page, any of those kind of things. We're going to go over how to do those today in today's video. My name is Brandi Reed, and I'm with 3 Nail Faith. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button. And let's get on with the video. All right, we're going to learn how to duplicate pages in our planner. So this is our meal plan, and in case you missed the video, the last video I did where I was teaching you about this meal planning sheet and how to use it, you can look at that video and I'll have it linked. Now, if you want to have, this is a 1 week planner. So you can, 1 week, let's rephrase that. 1 week meal plan. So let's say you want 4 of these in your planner instead of just 1. You can the easiest way, if you have a single sheet right here, you can come up here to this plus sign and you have your current template and you would just hit plus. So you would hit it 4 times. So you have 4 of them. If you came over here to your little 4 blocks, it's going to show you your grid view. So now you can see you have 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want it right in a row, that is the easiest one. So we're going to go ahead and select, and we're going to delete these so I can show you another way you can do it. We're in the select button. You can tap that, and you can hit copy. And it's copying it. Now, if you wanted to paste this meal plan, say you wanted it in a different spot of the planner. Okay, so we're going to hit done. And then we'll say we wanted it, for whatever reason, we wanted it after this particular month page right here. You would hit this down button, and you would hit, if you wanted either before or after, you would hit it. Well, we're going to go after. Now, it'd either be, we don't want the current template, which is this right here. We want to paste our page, and that put it in. But we don't want that there, so I'm going to move that back to the trash. Let's see, what else can we do? We can, let's say you wanted, okay. Let's say you wanted to have an extra, this is your budget sheet and your meal plan. Let's say we're going to go ahead and select the budget sheet and the meal plan. And we want to copy both of those. So we're copying 2 pages now. And we're going to copy and we're going to paste both of those. So add pages after. And then we're going to paste pages again. And so that just added 2 pages instead of just 1 page. But again, I don't want those, so I'm going to trash those. Now, you can, all right, so we're going to go back up to our plus button. Let's say you wanted, we're going to go to the August sheet, and say after our August template, we wanted a blank page. Now, they have all of these different templates. Now, the only thing I can say about these is none of these will be linked to your planner. So say you just wanted a blank page afterwards. So we added a blank page. But as you can see, none of your links from the side carried over. See how none of your side things added, or none of your links are going to work on this blank page, which isn't a problem. You just know you can scroll. But just know if you add any of these blanks, or there's definitely more templates that if any of these different things you would like, you can add them, but your links will not work. It's not going to ruin your planner. It will not destroy your links just by adding one of these pages. Anytime you add a page, GoodNotes knows that you added a page, so it's going to make sure that all of your links still work throughout your planner. Just know that this particular page, you're not going to be able to say go back to August or anything on this particular page. So we're going to move this one to the trash because I don't want that in there. It's not really doing anything for my planner. Let's see, what else can we do about moving our adding pages? I think that's about it. You can import pages. Like say you purchase, say you have my planner and you found a different layout that you liked that you wanted to add. You can import other people's, sorry, that was the wrong button. Import other people's layouts and whatnot. But again, it's going to do the same thing that the blank did. You won't have any of your links. So if you want to add a layout from somebody else, say you liked this particular layout and it wasn't in your planner, you could add, like you would want to go to, you would want to go to index, where's a blank page? Do I have blank pages on here? No, I know I do. Where'd it go? There, dot, blank page. There it is. Sorry about that. You would want to paste somebody else's layout on top of a blank page. So that way you still have all of your links. So in other words, let's say you wanted, it's not a very good, should have been a little bit more prepared for this, huh? It's okay. Let's say we're going to go and do that trick where we lassoed. We're going to lasso this just to show you what I'm talking about. We're going to take a screenshot, copy. So that gives us this layout, right? And then, so say we were wanting to have somebody else's layout added to our planner. We would get we would go to one of the blank pages. We would make a copy. We would add a current template. Okay, so this is our copy of the current template. Then we would either paste it in if we had it copied, or it could be in your photos. And then you're just going to use your you know, your little thing to make it the right size to your planner. And then now you have it added to your planner. And again, I don't want this in my planner, so I'm going to trash that. Or you can come up and use like a photo. Say this was a planner. It's actually my sticker template guide when I make stickers. But if you wanted to, then you could just easily add somebody else's template in using that. I think that's about all the ways that I can think of off the top of my head. How you can duplicate a page. Same thing as the copy version. Yeah, and that is about it on how to make duplicate pages in GoodNotes. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them below in the comments, and I'll make sure I comment and answer any questions that you have. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of the tips and tricks that I provide. Talk to you next time.